Account has been mistakenly blocked, it's really easy to fix. So without further ado, the first thing you do is you open up the WeChat app, and when you're actually trying to log into your account, it's probably going to give you some sort of issue or just not work at all. So what you want to do to actually fix this is you just want to go over to the more options right here and just click on the help center option. It's a second to the bottom, and you'll be brought to this page like so. Now from here, you just want to go over to the first option, hot questions, how do I unblock my account? Now, when you click on this, you'll be brought to this page like so. We just want to scroll down and go down to the tap here option if your account has been temporarily blocked. When you click on tap here, you're going to again scroll to the bottom of this, past all these steps, you can read them, but I know how to do it. So you click on tap here, step 9, this is the reasons you apply. And once you do that, you actually just select your platform. I'm on iOS, so I'll choose that. Choose your region, whatever region you are in, and you actually just want to select the categories of these reasons that your account's been blocked. And then I will be putting in this description right here I have written. You can do the same for my thing, and then you just put that in the description like so, or upload a screenshot of your issue. And then you enter in your mobile number and check this box. You agree to the terms of agreements, and you just want to click on the submit form right here just to confirm your WeChat Help Privacy Center policy is correct. And then within a few days or a few hours, depending on how quick they are,